called new because it was built on the site of the 9th century Santa Maria delle Vigne Oratory. Today, the Santa Maria de Novella church dominates the central square with its stunning marble facade. Construction of the basilica and adjacent convent began in 1287 and was finished years later in 1325. Upon its completion, it became the seat of the Dominican order in Florence. Shortly thereafter, the Piazza became a theater to festivals, tournaments, and other contests, among them the Palio dei Cocchi, a chariot race introduced by Cosimo de' Medici I in 1563 that was played out on June 24th, the eve of the feast of San Giovanni, Florence's patron saint. Marking the start and finish of the Palio dei Cocchi, the two obelisks of marble from Seravezza were made by Bartolomeo Ammannati in 1570, each one sitting atop 4 bronze turtles by John Bologna and topped with a Florentine lily. The centerpiece of the piazza is, however, the Renaissance facade made by Leon Battista Alberti in 1465. It was an exercise of Renaissance harmony, featuring perfect geometrical proportions. The basilica and the adjoining cloister and chapter house contain a host of artistic treasures and funerary monuments. On the opposite side of the church, the loggia of the San Paolo Hospital was built at the beginning of the 13th century. At first, it was a hospice for pilgrims, becoming also a hospital in 1345. Inspired by Brunelleschi's portico Spedale dei Innocenti in Piazza Santissima Annunziata, the building was enlarged and given the loggia with stone columns in the second half of the 15th century. The arches between each column have round, glazed terracotta reliefs of saints by Andrea della Robbia. Today, the building houses the Alinari National Museum of Photography. Today, a handful of restaurants and hotels overlook this recently renovated piazza, which features patches of green grass and metal and glass benches. The benches, however, in the summer get burning hot, so consider yourselves warned and opt for the grass instead when you need to sit down.